Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads in the Opera GX browser. Opera GX is built for gamers, and it has a built-in ad blocker. You don't even need to install anything extra. Let's set it up. First, open Opera GX on your PC. Click the Easy Setup button. It's located in the top right corner of the browser window. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section labeled Block Ads. Go ahead and toggle that switch on. Just like that, ads are now blocked on most websites. You'll also see the number of ads blocked in real time. If you want more control, click on the gear icon to open full settings, or press Alt plus PA. Under the Privacy Protection section, you'll see more options related to the ad blocker, like adding exceptions for certain sites or turning on tracking protection. If you're using YouTube and still see ads, that's normal. Most built-in blockers don't catch YouTube ads. For that, you might want to try adding a Chrome-compatible extension like uBlock Origin through Opera's extension store. To do that, click Extensions from the side menu, go to the add-on store, and search for uBlock Origin. Click Add to Opera, and you're good to go. And that's how easy it is to block ads in Opera GX. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.